Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a squishy inspired by my Boba plushie. I had this mini plastic cup that's been sitting in my room for years and I thought it would be really cool to turn that into a Boba cup. To start off, I'm going to cut a piece of memory foam into a sphere. Now I'm cutting this memory foam into 4 squares and I'm going to turn those into the arms and legs. I'm going to glue all 4 pieces with puffy paint, and it doesn't matter what color you use because it's going to be covered with black anyway. To create the shade of gray, I mix white, brown, and a little bit of black paint. It takes a lot of concentration to draw the face, so I drew it off camera. I wanted to make this squishy so badly that I went to go buy boba just so I can get a plastic boba straw. You can choose to draw a design on the cup with Sharpie, and if you mess up, you can always wipe it off with alcohol. My drawing kind of turned out lopsided, but I decided to just move on because I kept messing up. If you don't have a lid, you can create your own using paper. Just draw on your own design and you can laminate it with tape so that it doesn't rip. And this is the final Boba Squishy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!